But that shit's starting to sound like gunfire. I think the clutch. Yes, sir. It's your boy RoyalJZ. So we back at it again with another video. So right now we gonna do like mini bike adventures, some shit. You feel me? Just cruising around real quick, looking for stuff. You feel me? We ain't really got a goal of today's video, you know. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all a little update on the dirt bike. I need to get the bottom end, top end, and I gotta get the cylinder. I gotta get the cylinder head. No, the cylinder. I need to get that boarded out and boarded out. I gotta put nickel plating on it. Well, I can't put it on. Well, I gotta have a machine shop or a dirt bike shop, wherever the fuck, to have them put it on. Because the cylinder got scores in it that's deep as hell, so I need to take it to the machine shop and have them board it out. Probably like an oversized piston in it and all that. And after that, we good. I need to get a new mic, then I need to get a new camera holder because I broke one of the tabs, so there's only one tab. That's why the camera keep moving up and down a little bit sometimes if I hit something hard or something. But I'm working on that. And then I gotta get a new mic. I gotta figure out what's a good mic, because this one keeps blowing out it keep blowing out the mic on the left side. This is either the left side or the right side. You can't hear me if you plug in headphones. So I gotta figure that shit out. Damn, you can't get chased by a police. Y'all, it's just post pump stalling out my down. It's stalling my spark plug. Got pulley right there. Second police, little nigga. Come on, cuz. I'm gonna hit the sidewalk. Fuck. Now my bike acting up. Fuck, now I would've got caught, nigga. I'm telling you, this is post pump. No limits for sale, limit for sale. Look at them. Y'all hear that shit backfire? My bike not right now. Fuck. We gotta get to the crib. Looking at you. Ooh wee. Look, there's an AutoZone somewhere over here, I think. That's not good. That's crazy. I would have got caught by the cops if they would have fucked with me. bike tripping. Sheesh. If I can just get it running. Fuck, I keep saying the same shit. That's not right. But that shit's starting to sound like gunfire. Fuck, and it's hot. Fuck. I'm not trying to walk. Fuck. Come on, come on, come on, come on. But this is crazy. I always got problems with this bike. Hey, but I'm gonna cut the camera. If y'all new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And if y'all see this video, I made it home. Fuck you talking about. Alright, so I got the bike running. I wish I would have pressed the record, but I gotta stay on the gas. That motherfucker was backfiring like a gun for a few minutes. And something with the carburetor. I'm not trying to let this bike die. I'm not fucking walking. Y'all hear that shit sound crazy. I'm not walking. I think the clutch. I think the clutch is done. I burnt the clutch up off this bitch. Hey, that shit crazy. Hey, but look, I ain't walking. Hey, at least this clutch got enough grip. I seen her on the phone. I didn't want to, I didn't want to be that nigga. But hey, if y'all new to the channel, make sure like, comment, subscribe. I basically made it all the way home on a blown clutch where my QA fell out. But hey, stay tuned for the video. But thank y'all for watching and peace out.